When will I ever wear this shirt?
We also like.
Cause really doesn't matter. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I actually vlogged. I went camping and then right after that I went home for 2 weeks, which home is in Northern California, so I had to drive up. And did not vlog like at all while I was there.
So iconic to me, this like very specific cornflower blue. Iconic.
There are some video clips of me going outside twice the 2 weeks I was home. Came to NorCal for the week, and so we're getting boba. This used to be our favorite place. It was called Tepex, which I'm sure a lot of people know, but got more expensive and changed the name.
Shameless agitprop.
We got our popcorn chicken. We've been eating this since we were in middle school, and there was a point in high school when we got it every day after lacrosse practice. So hot this week. Good times. I just want to be a part of it right now. I do wish it was a little spicier, but wow. You can't grab anything on the bottom. You got a lot. Yeah. Time to go back home. I grabbed boba both times, and the other handful of video clips are probably of my dogs. Dewey, is that your toy? Are you bringing it to me? Oh, you don't want me to have it? No. Okay.
Okay.
Yep, they're all of my dogs. I am probably wearing the same t-shirt in every single video clip, but actually most of these clips are from different days. I actually just took out my wisdom tooth. In maybe the 12 days I was home, I probably showered twice. Home is always good. I haven't been able to go home because pandemic. My parents are just being super cautious because LA is not the most easily isolated city. I needed to go home, and they were okay with it, so I went. It was great. I might be going back again soon. But yeah, there hasn't been much happening, not a lot to update. I have been home, and if not home, I've been with David. We literally go out to get food and then come back home. It is the weekend, and guess who's here?
Trying to be casual, but it looks so obvious. Today's scoop.
Gooey brownie. I realized brownie has gluten.
Oh shoot.
It's okay, it's really little. We decided to come home and eat. before we go to the park. At the park.
It's the intent.
Oh yeah.
Ready? Wait.
Say bye.
Nice meeting you.
And we've gone to the beach, which was nice. We're going to the beach. And guess what opened? Oh my god! So we're gonna go to Manhattan Beach and grab food on the way.
Have a great day.
Oh, I haven't had Chick-fil-A in so long. But he made us get grilled chicken.
Yum.
This past week, I have been shooting different items. Why am I speaking so slowly like a robot? So today I'm continuing to shoot some items for my Depop that I'm trying to sell and get rid of because I have way too many clothes in my closet that I do not wear. So yesterday I took a lot of photos of different tops and jackets I had, still have. I posted them and they are live right now on Depop, so go check it out if you want. But the rest of the clothes I need to shoot today are bottoms. I'm gonna shoot right here. Just kind of figured out a set to make this go easily, efficiently. I'm sitting here wearing pants that I'm trying to sell and they're completely just open because they're just way too tight. That's why I'm selling them. So some of these pants, I'm selling them because they don't fit me. Should I wear them or should I just shoot the pants because it doesn't look good on me? Glad I have this time to do that. So bright. Today will be a productive day. I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna finish shooting these pants because these pants are too tight. So I feel like if I eat, I won't be able to do it. And then get some food from my fridge, eat, and I will check back in. Today I had seaweed, and bibimbap. If you guys are curious what I'm shooting or are bored and want to shop a little bit, definitely recommend checking out Depop. Just a good way to help each other out. You guys should also look into your closet and see what you can sell because you'll be surprised what people will buy. I'm gonna just try on different tops, see how it goes, because really it doesn't matter. This is hard because I just ate that huge bowl of rice. I've never worn this. Like, when will I ever wear this shirt? Really need to get a car wash after camping and my drives.
때문에 그냥 먹게 되죠. 저렇게 먹어야 맛있을 것 같아. 빅파이. 새벽에 잠 안 오면 볼 거 없고 먹방 보잖아. 나 찍으면 안 돼? 안 돼. 엄마는 나오기만 해. 유튜브에 나오면 안 돼.